Right now, as you blink, breathe, or scratch your nose, something is crawling across your face. Tiny creatures you've never seen, but they see you in their own bizarre way. They're called Demodex mites. Not demons, not detox. Demodex. Specifically, two types: Demodex folliculorum and Demodex brevis. They're part of your normal skin microbiome, just like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Except these ones have legs and a love life. How small are they? About 0.3 millimeters long. That's shorter than the width of an eyelash. You'd need a scanning electron microscope just to appreciate their terrifying cuteness. Demodex mites love your oily zones: forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and especially your eyelids. Some studies even found them in ear canals, nipples, and genital areas. They're low-key squatters with high-key preferences. Here's where things get romantic. They spend most of the day buried in your follicles, hiding from the sun. But come nightfall, oh boy, they crawl out, wriggle across your skin, and mate right on your face while you sleep. After their face-to-face rendezvous, the female dives back into a pore to lay 15 to 20 eggs. In about 3 to 4 days, larvae hatch. They go through several stages: larva, protonymph, deutonymph, adult, all in 14 to 21 days. Then, they die. And here's the kicker: they die full of poop. Demodex mites don't have an anus. All their waste builds up inside them. And when they die inside your pores, their bodies burst, releasing all that internal junk, a tiny detonation of biological goo, right beneath your skin. In 2022, researchers sequenced the entire genome of Demodex folliculorum for the first time. Turns out, they have one of the smallest sets of functional genes of any arthropod. Why? Because they've outsourced almost everything to you. UV protection? Gone. Immune response? Nope. Vision? Never had it. They're practically made of laziness. They've evolved alongside humans for millions of years. Some researchers believe Demodex could eventually merge completely with human cells, becoming intracellular symbionts, like mitochondria did billions of years ago. Imagine mites becoming part of your DNA. We likely inherit them at birth through skin-to-skin contact, especially breastfeeding. That's right, the first gift your mom gave you might have been face mites. By age 18, most people host them. By age 60, it's 100% game over. In a 2014 study published in PLOS One, researchers found Demodex DNA on every adult participant, even if no mites were visible under a microscope. While usually harmless, overpopulation of Demodex mites has been linked to rosacea, blepharitis, inflammation of eyelids, and acne-like eruptions. The exact relationship is still debated, but it's clear. Too many mites equals inflammation risk. Some scientists believe they help remove dead skin cells and sebum, preventing bacterial overgrowth. Others think their constant crawling stimulates mild immune training. They're the microscopic personal trainers you never hired. To detect them, dermatologists use skin surface biopsies or adhesive tape tests. Under the microscope, you'll see them wiggling like tiny translucent noodles. There's no reason to panic. Most people never need treatment. But for cases linked to skin disease, topical acaricides like ivermectin or metronidazole can help. But nuking them with harsh soaps can damage your skin's ecosystem. Demodex mites don't just live on us. Every mammal has its own species. Dogs get Demodex canis. Cats get Demodex cati. Some cause mange. Ours? Just itchy and a bit weird. Myth: they bite you. Nope. They don't even have teeth. Myth: you can wash them off. Not really. They live too deep. Fact: they might someday be used to diagnose skin diseases based on population levels. Yes, Demodex mites have been found surviving space-like vacuum simulations. Astronauts likely took some along on space missions. Interstellar hitchhikers? Anyone? Demodex mites are a perfect symbol of how little we understand about our own bodies. Tiny, invisible, ancient, and bizarrely essential. Don't fear them, embrace them. If your skin is crawling, congrats, you're alive. Hit like, smash subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's your mite's name? This is Oops, That's Science, where reality gets way too real.